Ever wondered how to make your calculator results feel truly personalized instead of generic? Today, we're showing you how to use conditional messaging in Outgrow to dynamically change text, images, and CTAs on your results page. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and selecting Numerical Calculator as your content type. Let's see this in action using our Lifestyle Change ROI Calculator. First, we calculate the annual cost savings. To calculate this, you can create custom questions inside your calculator. You can choose different question types such as multiple choice, numeric input, drop-downs, or checkboxes, depending on the information you want to collect. For example, you might ask, which lifestyle change are you considering? How many cigarettes do you smoke per day? How many days per week do you plan to exercise? And so on. These responses feed into the calculator's formula to estimate the potential savings from making healthier lifestyle choices. This overall calculated number appears for everyone, but what changes is everything below it. Now go to the results screen scroll to conditional messaging, turn the toggle on. Now we define our result ranges. Let's set conditions now. Condition 1 as low savings. Set the range from 0 to 10,000 per year. Now you can set the result and description for this, and set an image related to this. And a catchy CTA, start your healthy habit plan. Similarly, you can set condition 2, range as 10,001 to 75,000 per year. And a result its description, similarly set condition 3 range is 75,001 and above. Now here's the magic. The calculator result formula stays the same, but depending on the user's savings range, the heading changes, the description changes, the CTA changes, and only the condition that matches the result range gets displayed. With Outgrow's conditional messaging, you're not just calculating numbers. You're delivering personalized outcomes with dynamic text, dynamic images, and dynamic CTAs, all from a single calculator. Turn static results into smart, segmented experiences. Start building with Outgrow today.